The science of getting rich. Key idea number 3. Focus your mind on what you want and don't worry about other people. Now that you know that you can attain your desires through the power of thoughts, it's time to learn how to think the right way. To get started, use your imagination to imbue the substance with a clear and specific picture of what you want and a strong purpose to obtain it. For example, say you want a house. Picture it in all its detail. How big is it? What are the rooms like? From there, keep this clear picture in your mind, like a sailor who harbors a thought of the port where he intends to anchor. In addition to the image and purpose, you must also have a powerful faith that you can attain whatever you want, that it is there for you and that you need only reach out and grab it. Once you've learned how to think correctly, then you can use your will to maintain this thinking and move forward on your path to riches. But remember, on this journey, the only appropriate way to use your will is upon yourself, not on anybody else. After all, you can't know what is good for anyone but yourself. Never force someone to work for you, and never take things from others through manipulation. The former is a form of enslavement, the latter, of theft. If you want that big house, your only route is to imagine living in it until it becomes yours. Ignore those who tell you that you're too poor to afford it and keep the clear image of success in your mind. Key idea number 4 is queued up and ready. Click on it now to continue your summary of The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles.